The data entry system can be any. In this example, I used the Softr as a data entry system in Google Sheets. Google Sheets now acts as a database for the Softr application. I enter the data. The data got into the software CRM. There is no link to the PDF file right now. The PDF file is created by Google Sheets automatically in order to transfer it to the software as a link. As soon as the data got into Google Sheets, it immediately generates a PDF from the line according to the template I need, but fills in the data that was entered from the Softr. Also, the generated PDFs are stored in the folders I selected on Google Drive.